Hey guys, so today with me the Realme Smart Scale. Weight scale, actually it's not only the weight scale, it measures so many things apart from weight, like your heart rate, your BMI and all this stuff. So let's do the unboxing. This is the best thing for your fitness. You want to track your weight and all at your home. Okay, so this is the white color actually, Realme Smart Scale, and here there are things like what it can measure. So weight, fat rate, body shape, BMI, muscle mass, and there are so many things it can measure. So it's not just the weight one. Yeah, so we'll just let me quickly unbox it. And it's like so quick. I just ordered this yesterday and it got delivered today. So yeah, I'm happy for that. Okay, so let's start. And actually you can connect this with your device. Actually you should have a Realme Link app in your phone, in your smartphone, and then you can just link this and get the data. Okay, this is the one. Keeping this apart. Yeah. It's not too heavy and too light. There is a weight actually, but it's not too heavy. And yeah, I like the white color. It's too impressive and attractive to look. So this is actually the battery one. It requires 4 batteries, so we can just break the seal and can see. So actually we can remove, and there are 4 batteries here. Okay. So we need to actually remove this before using. Yeah, you can just slide it. You can open it. See. So one of them actually got with the tape, and we just need to replace it. To start using it. See, started. So let's just eat this back. Yeah. So actually you can link with a device. So I just installed this Realme Link app, and you can click on link device, and there will be just like a sign up process and all, so that I can do parallelly. So after the sign up, I can see the measure. I'm parallelly doing the sign up. Meanwhile, we can just measure like what weight I have and all that. I will quickly show you. Okay, so after the verification, I'll start my account. Yes, I'm done with setting my account. So here you can click on the link device. There will be various Realme devices. One will be health, and here it will show smart scale. So what's telling, like, place the scale on the flat surface, stand out on the scale and wait till the screen turns on. So we just need to stand on this. So I click on the next. I will show you this. I'm placing downwards. I will stand on this. Show you here. So if I stand on it, okay, this is the one, and here it's showing connecting to the smart scale. It's device pair. So here actually there are some personal information you need to set up that you can do. So gender is required actually. So this I'm putting actually random for now. I can, like, this actually just for a setup I'm putting the random water. It's fine. I will just correct it later. So yeah, here you can see the details actually. Once, like, let me just stand one more time and we'll sync it. See, it got synced here. So one measurement was found and got updated. So it's showing BMI actually based on my height and weight, and there are some goals and all I can set up. So this is all. Actually there are so many things into this scale as well. Besides this, I can check all those stuff, like my other contains body water, contains protein, and all those stuff, body weight, and it's showing here all those stuff. So yeah, pretty good. So many things to explore. This is the scale. This is so nice and looking. And yeah, if you have any doubt, you can write it in the comment section. I will try to answer it. Thank you.